outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping.
Yep, we're here in Gillam, Manitoba. It's a nice, warm, snowy day on June 11th, 2012. Yeah, see there, just cleaning off a vehicle there. Oh yeah, some houses. There's the mall. The old post office, shopping center. The town of Gillam brick building. June. Did I mention this was June? Yeah. It's about 6 inches of snow out there. Just on the way back to work here. Good thing, it's a good thing though, they sent us a 2-wheel drive Suburban. So, we're able to make it through here. We're just able to make it by.
Just barely.
You know, it's tough getting out of the driveway though. Once we get on the road, smooth sailing. Oh,
watch out for the pedestrians. This boat doesn't stop once it's rolling.
Oh, what's that? The motor in. Oh yeah, the Gillam motor in. Why wouldn't you want to come up to Gillam and work? Great place for a trainee to come up and get a really good taste of the outdoors.
So delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.